How to order labels in Trello. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to order labels in Trello. So first of all, just simply open the Trello's official website, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you're logged in into your Trello account, just open the workspace that you are working in, and after that just go to the board where you would want to order labels. So for example, I want to add label to this particular card right here. Just simply click on the label section from the right hand side menu in the card itself, and over here as you can see that I have created two labels in this particular card. So when I click on them, the card will and label will show at the card itself. And likewise, you can create multiple cards. Just simply click on create, and you can select the colors as per your liking. So for example, if I'm choosing red, that means the work has not been done. So you can write a title for this particular label that you are adding and click on create, and after that you can arrange them and the card as per your preferred location. And yeah, this is basically how simple it is to order labels in Trello. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.